Hi everyone, I am Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. As Poush Sankranti is nearby, is knocking our door. Poush Sankranti is another Bengali festival. So I thought on this special day, let me share one special recipe with all of you. Kolkata or Kolkata, the city of joy, has lots of stories of Jamindar or Durga Pujo and lots of things. But today my purpose is not talking about Kolkata or their Durga Pujo. My purpose is talking about totally different thing. What? I love to find out old traditional recipes which is getting lost over the time. So this recipe I gathered from few different blogs. I definitely appreciate their effort. Today I am going to prepare Kolar Barar Payesh. Means I am using this banana. I'll make the kheer with this banana, which is a traditional recipe from Shivpur Rai Chaudhuri Bari. During the Durga Puja time, they used to offer this Kolar Barar Payesh to Goddess Durga. So now would you like to know how to prepare this Kolar Barar Payesh? So let me go ahead and prepare this Kolar Barar Payesh. Here I took 1.5 liter milk. Bring it to boil. I will boil in medium to low heat. To add the flavor in this Kolar Barar Payesh, I will add 2 bay leaves and 4 cardamoms, green cardamom. Here I took 1 tablespoon of pudding rice. Wash it and I will add into the milk now. By the time milk gets ready, let me prepare this Kolar Barar now. Fresh grated coconut and jaggery. Here I took 1 cup grated coconut and half cup jaggery. Now in low heat I'll cook it for 5 to 7 minutes till it becomes dry and comes in one place. Now my jaggery and coconut mixture is ready. I'll add this mixture with banana and normal flour. Here I took 2 bananas and half cup plain flour. Mash the bananas now. I'll add this coconut and jaggery mixture and half cup flour. Now I'll mix everything together and will make a nice dough. Now I'll make small ball shapes from this dough and fry in medium heat. Once one side is cooked properly, turn and cook the other side as well. It looks so nice. By the time Kolar Barar is ready, our milk is also ready. It's almost half now and the rice are cooked properly. I will add 8 to 10 cashew nuts now. Now I'll add jaggery. Cook it for 3 to 4 minutes till jaggery melts and mixes into the milk. So it's almost done. It's time to add Kolar Barar. So my Kolar Barar Payesh is totally ready. So if you would like to make something different during this Poush Sankranti, please try this recipe. You'll love it, something different. And you know this Kolar Barar also you can eat with tea or like this. It's very yummy, bit crunchy and sweet taste. And it gives a nice aroma with banana, coconut and jaggery all together. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.